This video is the first on YouTube to give you a realistic, no-bullshit approach to how to build an athletic body that can rival and even surpass that of Ayanokoji within 1 year of consistent training. You can follow this routine whether you have access to a gym or are doing calisthenics at home. We'll break down Ayanokoji's body composition and athletic abilities, and then I'll guide you through a step-by-step plan to match or even exceed his lean, muscular look, incredible stamina, and explosive strength. But here's the twist. Did you know Ayanokoji's true strength might be 3 times that of an average adult male? Stick around to find out how. I've spent countless hours researching and analyzing Ayanokoji's training regimen, body composition, and athletic feats to bring you this comprehensive guide. We will follow a 3-step approach to getting a body like Ayanokoji. It doesn't matter how short, tall, heavy, or skinny you are right now, you can apply these steps to suit your starting point. We'll start with a strength and muscle building protocol. Next, we'll dive into a stamina building plan. Finally, we'll cover how to lose fat and achieve that lean, shredded Ayanokoji look. Let's now take a close look at Ayanokoji's body. He's around 5 feet 9 inches or 175 centimeters tall and weighs about 145 pounds or 64 kilograms. He has a lean, shredded physique. He is highly flexible and has explosive strength. His stamina is unrivaled. He is only 15, but his strength far exceeds that of an adult male. In the sports festival, his hand grip strength measured 60 kg, around 1.5 times that of a normal man, but he only used 50% of his strength, so he is 3 times stronger than a grown man while being 15. How is this possible, and can you do the same? The answer is yes, and here's how. When it comes to building strength and muscle, you cannot just follow any random weightlifting plan you find on YouTube. You need to follow a plan that is optimized for explosive muscle strength that will result in immense strength relative to your muscle size. For this video, we will focus on a 3x3 powerlifting protocol. The idea is simple. For each exercise, you do 3 sets of 3 repetitions. The repetitions should be heavy enough so that you can't do more than 3 of them in one go. First, start with a good warm-up. Make sure all your muscles are warmed up and you do some stretching exercises to get the body prepared to handle the stresses you will put onto it. A proper way to warm up is to take some very light weights and do many repetitions, then follow up by doing stretching exercises to prepare the muscles you are going to use. Warm-ups are important because they avoid injury when doing the heavy lifts, as well as it will improve your performance while doing the heavy lifts. When you are ready, you will perform 3 sets of 3 repetitions per muscle group. To make sure you get all muscle groups, include pushing exercises, pulling exercises, and leg and core exercises into your routine. Remember to use a heavy weight, around 85% of your 1 rep max, meaning the heaviest weight you can lift for 1 repetition. This 85% weight should be perfect to do 3 reps with, because you are lifting heavy weight. This is the range that will build explosive strength, a true sleeper build that will make people underestimate you, like Kiyotaka Ayanokoji. You don't need a complicated routine with 100 different exercises. An example of a simple but effective routine could be 1. Bench press, 2. Pull-ups, 3. Bent over rows, 4. Deadlifts, 5. Hanging leg raises, 6. Squats, 7. Dips. If you don't have access to a gym, you can do the following calisthenic exercises. 1. Burpees, 2. Muscle-ups, 3. Plyometric push-ups, 4. Box jumps, 5. Pistol squats, 6. Tuck jumps, 7. Kipping pull-ups. Remember, the goal with these exercises is to train your explosive strength. If you want to be like Ayanokoji, you cannot get tired. Ayanokoji is indefatigable. Having unstoppable stamina is a must for true confidence. Getting tired is the first step to failure. Don't get tired, be like Ayanokoji. Train your cardio as if your life depends on it. Every morning, I want you to do a 5-mile run. Wake up, get your shoes on, and start running. Finish those 5 miles, no matter what. You should aim to do it within 30 minutes. But if this is out of reach for you, you can start by running just 1 mile. Every morning you will try to beat the time of your last run until you can do 5 miles in 30 minutes. If you want to have a sleeper build like Ayanokoji, that makes men underestimate you and surprises the women in the bedroom, you need to be lean and cut. Any excess weight needs to go. There are only 2 metabolic states, anabolic and catabolic. You either gain weight in the anabolic state or you lose weight in the catabolic state. Gaining muscle is easy when you are in an anabolic state and difficult while in a catabolic state. To be in an anabolic state, you need to eat in a caloric surplus, meaning you consume more energy from your diet than you burn throughout the day. The catabolic state is the opposite of this. You burn more energy than you consume, but to lose fat, you need a catabolic state. Your first objective should be to have a good amount of muscle and strength. I would suggest that for skinny guys who are lacking in muscle size and strength, they start the first 6 months focusing on packing on as much size and power as possible. A good rule of thumb is to gain 4 pounds every month. Then in the 6 months after that, you gradually lose excess fat while maintaining the muscle. Try to lose 3 pounds every month. For guys who are already big and strong but have excess fat, I would suggest starting right away with cutting weight, 3 pounds a month, while training your muscles to maintain muscle mass and strength. For everyone watching this, it is important to find out what your caloric maintenance level is. Start tracking your calories strictly every day. There are also tools online that help you quickly estimate how many calories you need for your weight and lifestyle. A link in the bio. Protein is the secret sauce to any fitness regimen. It is the building block of muscle. A good rule of thumb is that you need around 1 gram of protein for every pound of body weight. Make sure to give your muscles enough rest. Don't try to be a hero. And don't listen to people claiming you should train very sore muscles. A good rule of thumb is, if your muscles are only slightly sore, you can keep training them, but with less intensity. If they are very sore, you can do some very light cardio to warm up your muscles, but not train with intensity. Soreness means your muscles are still literally damaged, and they need rest. If your tendons and joints start hurting, you should really be careful and take it easy. Building a strong body takes time. Follow my advice and you will become the Ayanokoji of your school and have Horikita and Karuizawa kiss your chiseled abs in no time. See you later, brothers.